The HTML del tag element defines text that has been deleted from a document. Browsers will usually strike a line through deleted text. The HTML ins tag element defines a text that has been inserted into a document. Browsers will usually underline inserted text. The HTML sub tag element defines subscript text. Subscript text appears half a character below the normal line, and is sometimes rendered in a smaller font. Subscript text can be used for chemical formulas, like H2O. The HTML sub tag element defines superscript text. Superscript text appears half a character above the normal line, and is sometimes rendered in a smaller font. Superscript text can be used for footnotes, like www.1.
Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel Web AI 360.